Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to feel a surge of tropical energy? Today I'm sharing a magical recipe that's your one-way ticket to vitality mango, banana, and coconut water magic. Picture this: vibrant, juicy mango slices blending with creamy bananas, all swirling in the refreshing goodness of coconut water. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make it a reality. Start with one ripe mango. Mangoes are packed with vitamins A and C, boosting your immune system and skin health. Then add a ripe banana. Bananas are nature's energy bars, full of potassium and fiber to keep you fueled and satisfied. Now, for the secret ingredient, coconut water. It's hydrating, packed with electrolytes, and gives that refreshing tropical twist. Pour in about a cup. But wait, there's more. Let's supercharge this blend with a teaspoon of maca powder. Maca is an ancient Peruvian superfood known for enhancing energy, stamina, and even mood. Toss everything into your blender and let it whirl until smooth. Pour it into a glass, and voila! You've got a powerhouse drink ready to revitalize your day. This tropical concoction isn't just delicious, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Mangoes and bananas provide essential vitamins, coconut water keeps you hydrated, and maca powder energizes your body and mind. So next time you're feeling sluggish, skip the energy drinks. Instead, blend up this mango, banana, and coconut water magic. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Stay energized, stay healthy, and keep blending those tropical vibes.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.